Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 660, effective until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following county: Taylor, Florida, and Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The forecast.